Hi everyone, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. On daily basis in 1 minute time frame we are analyzing Bank Nifty future market as well as the option market also. So right now we are watching March 28 Tuesday market after 1:25 p.m. We have received a sell call generator. In live market in this chart the calls will be generated. According to the breakout the calls will come like a signal. Due to sell call red color candle has been open. So sell call generated at 39,490. After 30 minutes of selling momentum, market started to move in the downside direction. During this downside direction, after we can say 30 minutes, the market finally break out the first target range of 39,391. That is a 99 point first target range. That is breakout after 30 minutes of the trading only. Again market started to move in the bullish momentum. During this bullish momentum, market break out the upper side direction. So buy call generated, green color candle open. Like this, whenever market trend changes, you will receive calls in live market. By just watching the chart, you will get the calls of where to enter and exit. You place the order in your broker account. Manual trading as well as auto trading both are possible in this chart. For chart subscription, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail also. The buy call generated at 39,510. That buy call also after we can say within 30 minutes of market momentum started to move in bullish direction and break out the first target range of 39,608. 98 point breakout in the bullish momentum. Like this today in Bank Nifty future after 1 p.m. we can say the both sell call and buy call break out the targets. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.